Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal. I am your host Nitin, and in our Bali series we have brought you another fantastic 5-star resort property. We have done resorts across the world, but this one is going to be special because this is in Nusa Dua, Bali, and this is a beachfront property with all the swimming pool and amenities. We had a fantastic stay here, and I'm going to take you around on the route of the Bali Tropic Resort and Spa. So let's start the trip. As you come to the lobby, you can see this is a Balinese style big palace, wooden carvings everywhere. And since Bali has this Hindu influence, we have Ganpati Bappa at the starting. So like most of my resort videos, if there is a Bappa, there is a fantastic video. So this property, we're going to take blessing from Ganpati Bappa and show you around. Come. Well, isn't this fantastic waiting area? You got all the Balinese style bungalows on both the sides. There is a lot of greenery all around. And while you are waiting, you can always play a game of pool. As you go down straight, you can go up to the beachfront. As you can see, it's a massive property. You got all this 35-40 villa structure. Each has 6 to 7 rooms, plus a private beach, a pool, a temple, auditorium. So isn't it magnificent, large pool? It got enough depth if you want to swim and do a complete lap. You can just chill at the bar and enjoy. They do some fantastic cocktails in the evening. So we had some great fun at this pool. It's a center attraction where everybody comes to enjoy a dip in a hot sun. So whenever you are enjoying a holiday in a resort like this, you need some really delicious food. And as you guys know as a chef how much I love my food. So this is Ratna restaurant which does multi-cuisine menu. We had some good pizza, pasta and delicious meal here. They also got a specialty Indonesian restaurant where they do their local delicacies. And you have Soka restaurant which is a massive restaurant where they do breakfast buffet. And trust me, the buffet is very delicious. Well, that was a bullseye. So you can always play some dart and enjoy. Now let's look at the another attraction, the beachfront. So all the Nusa Dua properties, they are on the beachfront and they are designed in a manner where you can just enjoy the beach just walking distance from your room. So friends, look at that soft sand and a pristine water. Now this is a beach where children can easily go take a dip. The waves are not very harsh, or you can just relax in water. You can do water sports. The resort helps you to do water sports around. So you can see a lot of people doing that. So this is a kind of a resort where all inclusive. You just come here, have a nice staycation, enjoy your beach, pool, all the other activities and eat some good food. Well, that's the Soka restaurant with the beautiful Balinese decor. And it's a big restaurant, so probably entire guests staying at the resorts can have a breakfast together. Morning is always busy here and the food looks delicious. They have a dedicated cold section where you have your cereals, jams, cold cuts, cheese and yogurt. So this is one section where all the continental specialities, juices, everything is available. What was nice was having the local fruits on the breakfast buffet along with your regular papaya, watermelon, pineapple. There was this snake fruit, there was passion fruit, there were freshly baked croissants, some puddings. There were some local delicacies which also you get to try on a buffet like this. So they had taken a good care to cater for vegetarian guests. So you had these fritters, there was a curry made out of beans, paratha. So the veg section itself had quite a few hot dishes. And for non-veg lovers like me, there was a local fish preparation, there were sausages, and kids love these pancakes. I mean, they were freshly made, looking absolutely decadent and delicious. And there was a live egg counter, so you can get your eggs nice and fresh. Wow, what a flip! So if you're coming with little toddlers, this is the area they're going to love, because this is like safe, secure, and they got small slide, so they can enjoy here while you enjoy the other activities on the beach. As you can see here, this is the spa. Now the resort hosts a very nice Balinese spa, where you can do all your massage and all the activities. As you can see everywhere, in the morning they pray with fresh flowers and some agarbatti, or what we do similarly in India, and they put this across all the places wherever there is a business. So they have a habit of praying every morning. Like everywhere in Bali, in their houses they got small temples, and in this property you got this massive temple. So there is God's blessing always wherever you go. Along the temple, they have this auditorium where they do evening. We experience a very nice Balinese cultural show here. They do nice lavish buffets in the evening, so you can. So while you are relaxing at the resort, you can play a game of chess. There is a big billiards table. There are library here where there are some good books you can pick up and return them once you read them. You can always get into a game of table tennis. So they have made sure that all age group, everybody is catered for while they are there in the resort. So next to the sea, you have this nice small gymnasium where you can do your workouts while you are on holiday. So the feeling of looking at the sea water and doing your workout is great. I mean, this is like one of the spectacles of this gym. So this is another activity where these are heavy balls. You throw them around and hit with another one. Yeah. So like this, lot of indoor, outdoor activities you can do at this resort. Let's give you room tour of our Balinese bungalow style room at the Bali Tropic Resort and Spa. It's a 5-star luxurious property, and room certainly looks like this. Look at the wood carving and the entire area. The bungalow comes with a nice veranda where you can sit like a king on this big chairs and enjoy. Let's get in. Wow, that's a big room. The super comfortable looking beds. So there is a mosquito net as well, a working table, extra bed as we need it. There is a TV and there is a mini bar. Yeah, and it's a stocked mini bar. Obviously will be charged if you consume it. This is the washroom area. You got a big bathtub. There is a shower cubicle, so you get both a bathtub and a shower cubicle. So in this dressing area you get the kimonos or the bathrobes. Then you got the safe, and WC is on the other side here. So a little different layout than your usual rooms, but nice and tastefully done. After doing a lot of swimming, enjoying the pool, beach and all the activities, it was time for dinner, and they had arrangement for the live music, so you can have a nice candlelight dinner while the music is on and enjoy the evening. We tried freshly baked pizza, some local delicacies, and the food was delicious. And the entertainment continued post this session. They also had the Balinese show where the traditional Balinese performances were organized so that you can enjoy till late evening. So Nusa Dua comes on the east side of Bali, and to experience wonderful sunrise you don't have to go anywhere far. Just from your resort beach you can experience an amazing sunrise. So I hope you like the tour of Bali Tropic Resort and Spa. It is amazing resort property in Bali, and if you are planning to come for a vacation in Bali, you must think of a property like this at Nusa Dua. This entire stretch has a lot of 5-star hotels. We explored one of them. So make sure you subscribe to Spice Dhamal. You like our videos for fantastic resort reviews and travel destination across the world. Until we meet again with fantastic travel destinations, stay happy, stay healthy and keep traveling.